This one says Brendan factored a quadratic trinomial as shown. So he did like a key factor method or the AC method. And basically what he's trying to do is he didn't do the grid, right? So he's assuming that this looks like x plus p times x plus q. And he's trying to figure out what p and q are based on this middle term of positive 5, right? And then he's also trying to determine what P and Q is based on the negative 6. The only problem is what do you guys notice? He's guessing negative 1 and 5, sort of. But what did he do wrong? Well, here he has the factors 1 times 5 equals 5. Negative 1 times negative 5 equals 5. Over here he has 1 plus 5 equals 6. And then negative 5. But if I multiply this out, x minus 1 times x minus 5, you get x squared, and you get negative 1x and negative 5x, but you get a positive 5. So you got it confused. We got to find numbers that add up to 5. And then when you multiply them, they multiply to 6. So that was his mistake. So let's scroll down and figure out which one it is. It says Brendan made a mistake. He factored the form, which is, the correct factor form is 2 minus 3. That might be the case. We can multiply that out. So basically, to find the right answer, we would actually have to factor this. So let's do that real quick. So over here, I'm going to draw this out. And I'm going to put the first term, x squared, here. I'm going to put the last term, which is negative 6, here. And then I got to think, what two numbers can I multiply to get negative 6 that when I add them up, I get a positive 5? Well, this is almost too easy. 2 times 3. Oh, wait. That won't work, will it? Because one of them has to be negative, and it adds up to 5. But if I put a negative 2 here, 3 minus 2 is 1. If I put the negative here, so that won't work. What else can I multiply to get 6? Well, I could put 6 and 1. So I did that on purpose, you guys, because I want you to go through the process and just guess and check. So if I say 6 times 1, and I make this 1 negative, I get a negative x here and a positive 6x here. Well, what's positive 6x minus x? 5x. So it's actually 6 and positive 6 and negative 1. So the correct factor form is here. The mistake that he made is he flip-flopped it. In other words, we said that 6 minus 1 equals 5, and that 6 times negative 1 equals negative 6. He flip-flopped those, the products and the sums.